So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I have a few hobbies. I enjoy reading books.
That's great. What kind of books do you usually read?
I'm into fantasy novels and historical fiction. I find them really captivating.
Interesting. I'm more into outdoor activities. I love hiking and exploring nature.
Oh, that sounds adventurous. Do you have any favorite hiking spots?
Yes, there's a beautiful trail near the mountains that I often go to. The views are breathtaking.
I should try hiking sometime. It sounds like a great way to enjoy nature.
Definitely. It's not only a good exercise but also a chance to unwind and clear your mind.
I can see how that would be refreshing. Besides reading and hiking, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I'm also passionate about photography. I love capturing moments and telling stories through pictures.
That's amazing. Do you have a favorite subject or theme for your photography?
I enjoy capturing landscapes and nature, but I also like street photography. It's fascinating to capture candid moments of everyday life.
I've always admired photography, but I haven't tried it myself. Maybe I should give it a shot sometime.
Absolutely. It's a creative way to express yourself and discover new perspectives.
I'll definitely keep that in mind. Thanks for sharing your hobbies with me.
You're welcome. It was nice talking to you about our free time activities.
Likewise, it's been great hearing about your hobbies too. It's interesting how different people find joy in different activities.
Absolutely. That's the beauty of hobbies. They allow us to explore our interests and find fulfillment outside of work or responsibilities.
I completely agree. It's essential to have hobbies that bring us joy and help us relax. They can be a great stress reliever.
Definitely. Hobbies provide a balance in life and allow us to recharge. It's important to make time for ourselves and do something we truly enjoy.
I couldn't agree more. Sometimes, with our busy schedules, we forget to prioritize our own well-being and leisure time.
That's why it's crucial to carve out time for our hobbies and make them a regular part of our routine.
Absolutely. So, besides reading, hiking, and photography, do you have any other hobbies or interests?
Well, I also enjoy cooking. Trying out new recipes and experimenting with flavors is quite exciting for me.
That's fantastic. I love cooking too. It's a great way to explore different cuisines and get creative in the kitchen.
It sure is. Cooking can be therapeutic and rewarding, especially when you see others enjoying the meals you've prepared.
I completely agree. It's a wonderful feeling to share homemade meals with loved ones.
Indeed. So, what about you? Apart from reading, do you have any other hobbies that you enjoy?
Well, I also like playing musical instruments. I play the guitar and find it relaxing to strum some chords in my free time.
That's impressive. Music is such a beautiful form of expression. It must be fulfilling to create melodies with your guitar.
Absolutely. It's a great way to unwind and let my emotions flow through music.
It sounds like you have a well-rounded set of hobbies. It's important to have a variety of activities to keep life interesting.
I couldn't agree more. Hobbies add flavor to life and make our free time more meaningful.
Definitely. Well, it was wonderful discussing hobbies with you. I hope we both continue to enjoy our favorite activities and explore new ones too.
Absolutely. Thanks for the inspiring conversation. Let's make the most of our free time and keep pursuing our passions.